XP was Microsoft's bold attempt to create an easier, faster, and more reliable operating system for consumers and businesses alike. Windows XP's general availability was all the way back in 2001, more than 15 years ago, with its latest release being Service Pack 3 back in 2008, around 8 years ago. Windows XP came packed with loads of brand new media features, including a brand new Windows Movie Maker for easy home movie creation with clips and music and pictures and more. It also included a new Windows Media Player for movies and music consumption, along with new plug-and-play capabilities that made inserting new hardware into your PC a breeze. Windows XP was much improved in the stability and speed department because of Microsoft's decision to make Windows XP on top of their Windows NT system. It in general just made Windows XP much more reliable, much faster, much more efficient, and overall much less prone to crashes. Windows XP was easier to use for rookies and experts. A fresh, new, and clean-looking taskbar and start menu made it easier to find things, and the whole operating system overall looked much more appealing and friendlier to new users and professionals. Windows XP was the very first version of Windows that Microsoft started doing product activations for to try to stop the piracy that started happening with Windows in general. Over the course of XP's supported years, Microsoft released 3 service packs for XP, the latest one being Service Pack 3 with improvements like bug fixes and additions like the new Security Center for XP that showed your antivirus status and your Windows firewall status and stuff like that. Microsoft's initial support for Windows XP security updates ended back in 2014, with the exception of a couple weeks ago as Microsoft released a few emergency patches for Vista, Server 2003, and XP as the WannaCry epidemic was taking over. With all that being said, Windows XP was truly one of the most monumental operating systems in the tech industry. It was such a fast, reliable, and easy-to-use operating system. There are still thousands of computers and businesses using it today, even 15 years later. I will always remember Windows XP as it was the very first operating system I ever used and the one that I used growing up with. I played games on it, I did work on it, I learned so many things about computers on it, and I will always remember it as one of the best operating systems in history.